This video demonstrates how to buy shares of GCL Technology Holdings Ltd, specifically the HKEX ticker 3800. HK. GCL Technology is involved in photovoltaic materials and solar wafer manufacturing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and then add funds to your account before purchasing shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 3800 HK to locate GCL Technology. Select the result that clearly shows the HKEX listing to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to see basic company details and a price chart for GCL Technology. Confirm the exchange reads HKEX and the ticker is 3800 HK to verify it is the right listing. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the platform used in this walkthrough is in the description if you want to review it.